it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with Technique Tuesday number 67.
Wow.
And
it's Christmas.
Merry
Christmas, everybody.
So we hope you guys all are having a great day, enjoying family. If you don't celebrate Christmas, well, Merry Christmas to you too, and Happy Hanukkah and everything else. So we are very excited. Today is my favorite day of the year. I think it's yours too.
Yes, it is.
But we are going to be continuing on with Technique Tuesday with our spray pens, and we are actually going to be adding the shimmer brush into it today. So we're going to show you how to shimmer up some things.
That's right. It has to be a little sparkly for Christmas.
Exactly. So here we go.
Okay, so to start with our spray pen, you want to fill it with a little bit of water. This is the first line. I don't know if you could see that. And I filled my water up to my first line. You don't want to have too much because you don't want the shimmer brush contents to get too watery. I'm going to just take this off, and before you do this, I would suggest you, if you've used your spray pen before, get all the water out of this tubing, because if you've used it with water or whatever, you just want to make sure that nothing is in there at the moment. Then you take your shimmer brush, and I put 10 drops in, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! We're gonna put that down and cover your shimmer brush.
Look at all that sparkle.
You put the cap back on, and you just shake a little bit.
Wait, where are you shaking?
Oh, shaking, shaking, shaking. So just to mix it. And then what you're doing, you want to have it surface, you want to have your surface covered. So we're using our
All-purpose mat.
All-purpose mat. And then you want to just spray. And you could see,
Look how cool that looks.
the gold coming up on there.
Look how cool that looks.
And basically, I used the whole thing. So.
And if you think there's too many little, just turn it over.
And if you put it in the sunshine.
Where's the sunshine?
Right here.
Trying to find the sunshine. There it is.
It looks really cool in person.
It's all sparkly. Look at that.
And now, of course, you have to let this sit and dry before you put it on your project.
So if you think there's a little bit too much shimmer in these crevices, just take a tissue and let it soak up some of that water, and it will take out the shimmer. Just a little bit. I honestly think it looks really cool. Don't you?
Mm-hmm.
So
You do.
it's gonna be a great texture for that page. And these are made really, really thick too. So the paper has not even been warped at all.
And if you wanted a more bold design, you could actually just use the gold shimmer brush right on.
Yes. Oh,
Your-
wait,
your
you can see it in
snowflake.
the sunlight here. Do you see that shimmer? It's so cool looking.
That looks very cool.
Look at that shine. I'm gonna be glittery for days.
And that's Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed. Thank you to all of our new subscribers out there.
Okay, 67.
And that's Technique Tuesday.
And there goes one of Santa's elves. He forgot to take him back to the North Pole.
And it will soak up. Ooh, you're missing me. Hold on.
Okay, now I can stop.
Now you stop it.
Hit that red button.